Hello team, and welcome to today's Excel video where I'm going to be sharing with you how to add a trend line to your Excel charts. Let's jump in. To add a trend line to your Excel charts, click the chart elements icon located here and then select the check mark for trend line. If you want to remove the trend line you've added, simply unclick the trend line box and it'll go away. For additional options, you can click the arrow next to the trend line option and hover over each of the trend lines listed here to see how they'll look. You can also click the More Options box located at the very bottom, and this will open up a dialog box with some additional options. You can select one of the trend line options located at the very top. Additionally, if you go to the Fill tab off to the left, you can choose from a variety of options here for your trend line as well. So for example, if you want to change the color, I can change that to green. You can also change the width of your trend line. Another cool option is that at the bottom, you can add arrows to the beginning or end of your trend line. You can also add different types of trend lines on the same chart. With the trend line option still selected, if I click the arrow next to it, if I hover over to period moving average, you'll see that could be added as well. As a final tip, let's look at how you can add a trend line to a specific data series when you have more than one present. As you can see, I've added a loss column that's showing up in orange on my chart, and there's a couple of different ways I could add a trend line to that specific data. If I go back to chart elements and select trend line, Excel will ask me which series I want to apply the trend line to. If I select the second series and click OK, you'll see my trend line is added to the loss data. Another easy way to do this is simply select that data set within your chart. Clicking one of those shapes will highlight that entire data series. Then if you select trend line, Excel applies it to that data set. Team, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip today. Please like and subscribe to the channel for future videos.